In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a legend to graph in Microsoft Excel. If you have a chart with multiple colors or data series, adding a legend makes it much easier to understand what each part of the graph represents. This is especially helpful when you're sharing your spreadsheet with other people or presenting your data in a more polished way. The good news is that Excel makes this very quick. To begin, click the graph to select it. This is an important first step because the chart tools and options only appear when the graph itself is active. Once the chart is selected, you should see a few controls appear around it. Next, look to the right side of the chart and click the plus button, which is the Chart Elements button. This button gives you access to different visual components you can add to your chart, such as titles, labels, grid lines, and of course, the legend. If you don't see the button right away, make sure the chart is still selected. After that, check the box labeled Legend. As soon as you do this, Excel will add a legend to the chart automatically. This legend helps identify each data series by matching the label to the colors or markers used in the graph. At this stage, Excel may place it in a default position, which is fine for now. Then click the arrow next to Legend. This small arrow opens additional placement options so you can control exactly where the legend appears. This is useful because the best location can depend on the size of your chart, the amount of data you're showing, and how much empty space is available around the graph. Now, choose where you want the legend to appear. You can place it on the right, at the top, on the left, or at the bottom. As soon as you select one of these positions, the legend will move to that area of the chart. Pick the option that keeps your graph easy to read without covering important data. And that's it. The legend is now added to your graph in Microsoft Excel. If you want the chart to look cleaner, try testing a couple of different legend positions to see which one fits best with your layout. A well-placed legend can make your chart much easier to interpret at a glance. Thanks for watching, and that's how to add a legend to a graph in Microsoft Excel.